Hi, my name is Ed and thanks for checking out my Miami Ink Tattoo Designs review. Are you a lover of tattoos? Are you having an issue deciding what kind of tattoo you want? If you are a lover of tattoos, then this review is meant for you. Miami Ink Tattoo Designs is a service that specializes in providing members with over 25,000 high-quality tattoo designs free in 60 categories. When you become a member with this program, you will be able to discover your dream tattoo in just 3 easy steps. Miami Ink Tattoo Designs was created to offer you the best and widest range of tattoo design that you can imagine and find on the internet. They also connect you to different tattoo artists around you that will enable you bring your dream tattoo to life. When you visit the link in the description box below this video, you will be able to see what I am talking about. All over the world, thousands of people who have registered with them have found their perfect tattoo amongst more than the 25,000 in the gallery. There is a large variety of tattoo designs that will be available to you, from aliens and angels to Japanese, tribal and sports tattoos. Miami Ink Tattoo Designs has something for every personality and preference. As a member, you will also gain access to the Learning Center, which covers how to choose a tattoo design, how to choose a tattoo artist, tattoo aftercare, infection prevention, and more. They also have a recently improved tattoo designer that will enable you to see how the design will look on your body before it is been drawn. This is great for you, especially if you are someone who always loves to pay attention to details. All you need to do is select a tattoo font, choose any design of your choice and enter this design on your picture, and you will get a preview of how this design will look like on your body. You will be able to access your membership page with any device of your choice, including your mobile phone. You will be able to connect with the best tattoo artists and make your choice from them. The user interface has been designed to be very easy to use. If you are a fan of tattoo and you require a tattoo at any time, visit their website by clicking the link below to get the best and easiest tattoo service on the internet. There are over 500 active members, other people who are looking for the same thing you want. You will not regret being a member.